Also along the lines of me doing the TikTok Live on Sunday, January the 12th, 2025, there were a lot of subsidiary messages, and I did some Q&A, and I pulled the most important ones out of that to be able to share with you here now, because there's some very important messages that you need to know headed into this week. Here they are. All right. They want to talk about discerning what you see in the sky. Okay, so what they are saying is that as you look in the sky and see anomalies, check first. Check first with yourself and discern. Ask yourself, is what's in the sky important? Is what's in the sky for me? Is what's in the sky highest vibration for me? And if it does not align, disconnect. If it is for you and you know it is for you and you feel safe with that, that's when you want to make contact and say things like, I see you, I acknowledge you, thank you for being here. That is first contact. That is level 1 of first contact. That's how we are able to make an interconnection with you and be on the ground with you so much better. I can also iterate this message to all of you is that even though you see them in the sky, they are energetically on the ground. And so that seeing them in the sky is an energetic, expansive, DNA-changing experience. And as that's happening, we're able to feel them on the ground next to us and around us. Now, if this makes you feel uncomfortable, that's okay. You don't have to participate. You can light bubble and just take it a step at a time, in your own space. Okay, so what I'm about ready to channel, this is not normally what I would channel, and this is not really normal for us, but the events we're going to be walking through very, very soon, it is important that you are aware of this. All right. They want me to give you a picture of what they see. As we walk through the coming events, we will see and know things that are unimaginable. A lot of darkness will come out. Through that time, there is a high propensity for psychic attacks. They're already happening. Psychic attacks are already happening. This is not normal. This is not normal. We're headed into an apex of this, like a bell-shaped curve of this. Through this time, it is important that you keep your light field engaged, you keep your spirit team guard anchored around you. You call in your highest light, your highest team to support, guide, and protect you. Regularly clear your space and clear out any and all dark, negative, resonating energies and entities, and ask for your highest help to come in and protect you. Again, this is not normal. This is just for a short period of time. But it's important that you are aware. Okay, and then they want me to iterate a story. Like, I keep seeing this movie clip, and I want to share the movie clip with you. You're going to need to go look up Indiana Jones. This is Harrison Ford, the Indiana Jones movies. And I believe it's like, I don't know which movie it is, but it's the movie where he and Miriam are out in the desert somewhere, and they've got a box. and this box gets opened up, and all of the banshees fly out. Woo! All of the banshees fly out. And the single informational instructional piece that Harrison Ford and Miriam had was, do not look. When the box gets open and all the banshees fly out, do not look. Keep your eyes closed. Fill yourself with light. Let the flood and the storm of that darkness flow through. Let it happen. Let it leave. Know that it's happening. You're very aware that it's happening, but do not be engaged with it. Do not look. Just let it go. If you have a propensity for going down rabbit holes, the next 10 days is not a good time to go down rabbit holes. You will get sucked in, and it is not for your highest and best of energetics. Like, that is not for your highest good of your best energetics, okay? Right now, the days ahead, your assignment is the value of your vibrational frequency through your body, your light field anchored in. And so anything that distracts you from that is probably not good for you to be paying attention to. Only the stuff that you are guided to pay attention to. And I know, I'm a news junkie. I'm like, stay informed, know what's going on. We need to know our information. But what we're going to be walking through, the energetics are more important than the information right now. And the other resource that I would send you to right now, it's on my playlist. If you go into my playlist on TikTok, it's Inspirational Basics. That's the segment of the playlist. And you want to go watch Web of Light. Go watch Web of Light. You, my dear, are a point of light on the map. And we are all interconnected through this web. And our job is to keep our point of light lit in as high vibration as possible, anchored in space, and allow that light to connect in with the other parts of the light grid. That's how we get through this. That's the assignment. That is trusting the assignment. I feel the energies from the Galactic Federation of Light beginning to wane. I cannot hear any more messaging coming through. They want you to know, just because they're leaving the message does not mean they're leaving. It just means the message is done. That's it. So they give great honor to you. They give great thanks. They are incredibly thankful and honored to be working with us. And they are incredibly grateful that we are on the ground. I call all of us the earthly ground crew. We're the ground crew doing this work. And we are very supported, protected, guided, taken care of as we walk through this landscape. And they're saying something like they feel so honored to be working on something so valuable at this time in the cosmos with us. That should put it into perspective for you.